We can make such a design very easily with Illustrator. First, place 2 circles like this with the ellipse tool. Then cut through Step Builder tool. Again, draw a circle using the ellipse tool. Place the first shape outside the circle. Then select the Rotate tool and hold Alt and click along the middle of the circle. If you click, a window like this will appear. From now on, take the angle 10 or 15 as needed. Now click the Copy button. Now press Ctrl+D button and our shape will be created. Now if we color it, we will get our desired design.